Here's Rudy Carlo.
Alright, today we're going to be cutting a mango, guys. I'm going to show you how you cut mango. Right there's our mango. It's already washed. Took the sticker off too. I'm just using a regular steak knife right here. It's not the cleanest one, but the cleanest one I found.
Ooh,
So there's a pit inside of here. I'm going to cut it like 2 slices, and then I'm going to cube it so everybody can have some. And then whoever wants the pit, go for it.
Go to me at the end because I have something.
There's our 1 slice.
Ow!
See that? I got it closest to the pit. Right there. Pit. Oh, I wish you guys were here. Just smell this. Smell this mango. Just smell it. Oh yeah, you like that? Can't have it. Can't have it. Other slice. Ooh, this is a juicy one. This knife sucks. Alright, there's our other slice. Oh, the aroma of this mango. I wish you guys were here right now. And then I'm just cutting slices in here so I can cube it.
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah, but the dogs like lick them.
Did you wash your hands?
I just said yeah, but the dog licked them.
Oh, dude, that's nifty.
I know, right? It's because I'm Mexican. Be careful when you're doing this at home, kids. And I did not learn this in school. There's our mango.
That's actually pretty cool.
That's it.
I wasn't expecting that.
You weren't?
No.
And then, should I cut them in cubes? You want to cut these off? So you guys just grab them, or?
Audience?
Cut them off.
Cut them off. Okay. You're the boss. Poking me with that pineapple?
The thing is, it's not a pineapple.
It's like a pineapple.
What? Why did that just happen?
If I had a sharper knife, I could just like cut these suckers off right here. It's giving me a little trouble. Or whatever. It's all good. It's going to the same place. Yeah, I mean. Yeah, I mean.
That's such a catch thing. They're going, yeah,
What?
I mean.
Yeah, I mean. And then if you really want to spice things up, you can put some paprika in here, some lime juice. That's how they do it down in Mexico.
They have paprika in Mexico.
Chili powder, whatever.
It's
I
bad.
feel like somebody's doing something
I
behind
feel
it.
like we made other videos together. I don't know.
Man, this thing sucks. I'll just eat the peel.
Hurry the fuck up.
Oh my god! I said be
They're
careful.
so good. Dude, don't say it.
Alright, whatever.
At the end.
Can I eat this part?
Is that all we do today? Oh, man. Oh.
Ah.
Oh no, stop.
That's how you do it.
We start typing now.
That sucks, guys.
And next week, Rudy's going to teach us how to cut a pineapple.